As far as the uh-ohs go, we said lip sync, body shots, we also have whipped cream. Did you happen to read these yet? All? You might want to, just so you know what you're going to be looking at up there.
This is a perfect way to start.
Yeah, I thought so too. It's going to be fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Retro Game Show Night! Alright, next thing our hostess with the hostess. She's more man than you'll ever be, and more woman than you'll ever get. And here she comes now, Tempest DuJour! Hey everybody, welcome to Retro Game Show Night! So great to see me! How's everyone doing on this humid summer eve? As always, when we play a little misfortune, we have a lovely assistant via Grand Canyon University online. Give it up for intern Sarah. Let's meet our contestants, shall we? Let's start with Brian. Is this your first excursion into the Retro Game Show Night?
The game show night, yes.
Is this your first Tempest DuJour experience?
I don't know about experience yet.
Well, anything's possible. Night is young, right? Who are you here with?
I'm here with my wife, Mama.
What's your name, honey? I don't care. Kelly! And what do you do, my darling?
I work in the hospital.
You do? As a doctor? You know how I do that? She's Indian. As she just reminded me, she's also very good at selling these. Alright, Brian, you big hunk of testosterone. Give the wheel a spin. Jump on everybody. Give that baby a spin. Are there any R's? No, I'm sorry. Think this way so that I can see your beautiful face and how you would fit inside of me. Time for you to lip sync for your life. DJ Paul, if you would. Come on, cheer on! And our last contestant for round 2 is Mayor! Come on up! Aren't you just precious? So pretty. I know. I know. So Mayor, what do you do?
I'm an infectious disease doctor.
A doctor of infectious diseases. Well, aren't most of you lucky tonight? Mayor, we're starting with you. Get up here and spin this puzzle. Uh-oh! I think it's time for the whip. Tanner, come on, buddy. Have your Sunday. All of it, Tanner. Oh. I like it. That's round 2 of 3. Ladies and gentlemen, and those of you in between, we'll be right back after a brief intermission for round 3 of...